Welcome to 423byland.com. Today I'm going to show you two places that are within 5 minutes of Lake Livingston Village that you can launch your boat and go fishing, enjoy the day at the park. The first, of course, is Lake Livingston Village Boat Ramp. It is a private community property owners area only for property owners. Let's take a walk and see what the park looks like. Lots of parking here. Believe me, some days it's packed. Everybody launching their boat, especially in the mornings. A nice park area over to the right. Spend a day here with the family, picnic. There's some people down there on the pier fishing right now. People love coming up here in the summer on the weekends. Spend the day fishing, hanging out at the lake. Oh. Good morning. Here we go. Come right down here to the dock. You can just stand on the dock down here and go fishing. That's what we usually do. Cute little area. Cute. And there, a little waterway. It goes right out to the open lake. Easy, easy. More picnic areas. And there's your boat launch. Just pull your boat in, go out fishing for the day, or just spend the day on the lake here, play in the park, fish at the pier. Okay, now we're going to go to the next boat ramp in the area, still only 5 minutes from the entrance to the subdivision. So come with me, we'll be there in a minute. Here we are at Tigerville Park and Boat Launch, which also is only less than 5 minutes from Lake Livingston Village. This is a public boat ramp, no charges, no fees, anybody can come here. You can see there's people in the parking lot. It's not closed, I was surprised. I thought it may be. I'll walk down here to the water's edge. See, we've got people out fishing today. Nice spot to launch your boat. Nice and wide. Beautiful day. They also have a fishing pier. Sure, they're catching catfish today. Beautiful view, goes right out into the lake. A lot of little spots like this around Lake Livingston. A lot of fishing spots, spots you can rent boats. There's the Lake Livingston State Park, which we'll do a preview on later in the month. Everything is in close proximity. Everything's just around the lake here. A great place to spend weekends. A lot of people come up during vacation, bring up their RVs. that's all for today, but we'll set up more videos of things that are in the area. Blanchard Beach we'll go to next, probably later in the week. Thank you for viewing. This is Yolette at 423byland.com.